security vulnerability in PHP. So let us start first of all by looking what is PHP exploits. PHP exploits is the security vulnerability which is occurred when the client added the script extra scripts to the original code that result either to the to redirect the actual client to the other servers, so it will result to the loss of security of clients or users data. Let us see this in actual. We have our form here with action with self PHP self actions. So our form will be processed in the same file which we have named it as oop.php. Okay, with method that we will use to process our form, it will be posting. Okay, we have two inputs, which is input for username and password, and we have submit button here. So our after submit after our user he will create he after our user had after our user has put okay, let us see. After our user has put the data, has filled the data. After our user has filled the data in our form, okay, let's see. Okay, first of all, let us show you this is our form. So after our user has put and has put the information in the fields here, after submit the information will be echoed, his username and the password will be echoed out. As you see, your name is admin and your password is that one. So in the okay, so the exploiting occur here. The user who want to to hack or to cause the security risk in our system, he will add some code which is look like uh, uh, which is look like actual HTML or or script, or some scripts. Okay, so example of code that he will add, he may add is like, he may add thing like this. Okay, he may add thing like this to cause security problem to our system. He may add things like this. He may add thing like this. Okay, which will result to the security vulnerability or unexpected final result to our user, which is not required. Okay, he will add, so he will put messages like you are hacked. That is like an example. It's like an example. So okay, scripting. Okay, okay, okay. So this is what's called the exploit, PHP exploit. So user has put the script, as you see here. This is script will cause the other users to when other users, when they run our our app or system, to get some genuine message which were which not intended by the developer of this system. So let us see after click enter, there are the what will happen. So as you see, after I click the enter, our URL has changed to something like this, and we see this pop-up box, which was not there before. So that is what called the exploit. So this result to our system to be malfunction. So to prevent this, we use something called we use something called HTML special character. So HTML special character is the things that will present this. Is the HTML is the HTML functions that prevent PHP exploit. So let us go and see. To prevent this, we use HTML special character. function. So we put that function after in the action part after echo. So now we modify our our action part to something like this. HTML special HTML special cara. Okay, this is an this is function. So that is the function we put to prevent that things. So after put that, okay, after we have put that, okay, we try to see that checkup box will result will occur again. No, it will not occur again, okay, because we have put something like that. So let us try again. Okay, as you see, nothing. Let us come back, come before. Okay, let us add that things that we have added before, which was something like this, and to see if it will occur again after we have put the after we have put that function. So let us go. Okay, let us put okay scripted, then this one, then 3, then then okay, and something like that. Okay, then alert, then after alert there is no the script, then alert, no this one, then okay, then something like this. Okay after that something like okay, hackly, you are hackly, alert, you are hackly. Okay, then 3, then C, then script. Okay, then this one, then S3, then okay, percentage 3E cop. As you see, nothing happened because we have prevent this by putting HTML special characters before our our file processing file, before our before name of before our name of processing file, before our name of processing file. So that is how we prevent PHP exploit in PHP. So we can do this. We can do this. We can do this in better way, in most better way, by creating the function that will do all we want, assume that if we have we have to prevent the data, if we have to prevent the data, from this security vulnerability, 100 of data full, if we assume that if we have to prevent 100 of the inputs from this security vulnerability, it will be tiredness work to do this, to add this HTML special character for 100 of the data. So the good way is to add to create the function that will do this for us. So also we can add other two things which will prevent the unnecessary characters such as extra spaces in our HTML, and will remove the backslashes. To do this, we'll use the strip slashes and trim functions in PHP. So let us see how to use this. Okay, how to do this. Okay, let's assume we want to validate our input here, inputs here, username and password. Okay, let's see how we can do this in best way. So first of all, we have to create our public function. Let us call it testing input. Let us put data is parameter for our function. Okay. Let us declare data variable equal to trim. Trim is a function to remove the extra spaces or extra characters in our inputs. So let us copy this in 3 times to let us change this to strip slashes, okay, and this one for HTML, okay, special character function. So let us return data. Okay, so now we have already declared, we have already uh, made our we have already made our function. I see. I think where I think it show an error. Where I thought an error that let's see where that error come from. Special character, special HTML special character. Okay, public function. I think anything. Oh, because I can have to. Okay, okay, nothing. After that, okay. After that, we have what's important for us now. We have done all those above two. So now we have to put our 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 data here for all of our variables. So to put this, let us first define our testing. Let us put our testing. So to make sure this has been okay. Alright, not bad. So okay, now all this will be inside our testing input function. All this test input function. Okay, testing input function. So all our data here will be will be checked to see that if they are good and they don't have those errors. Okay, so okay, so now we can come here and testing. As you see, your username is Adam, the admin in the so, but our data now are more cleared. So as I have to add something, let me add this in my here to see if I can get nothing. I didn't have get those, but before let's see, before me putting this, what I will get, what I'll get. What I'll get, let me see. Okay, as you see, okay, let me put this. Okay, let me see. what I can put, what I can get, as you see. You see, nothing, but let me put some data here. Okay, as you see, it pop up me like that, but after after I put that secure it not happen again. It won't happen again. Okay, as you see, it be echoed, it be echoed as as HTML entities instead of pop-up messages. Okay, that is how to prevent PHP exploit. Thank you for listening.